Hey, welcome to ClaryWealthHub. I'm really glad you clicked on this video, because today we're talking about something that honestly affects every single one of us. Money. And especially if you live in the US, you already know how stressful money can get. Bills, rent, groceries, car insurance, credit cards, life is expensive. And for a lot of people, managing money feels confusing, overwhelming, or just plain exhausting. So take a second, breathe, and relax, because this video is going to make things much simpler. I'm giving you the ultimate, beginner-friendly guide to personal finance, something that actually works in real life, not just inside a textbook. No boring lectures, no confusing financial terms, just straight, simple, honest advice that can actually change your life. And the best part? You don't have to be good at math. You don't need to make a lot of money. You don't have to be perfect. You just need to take small steps. So let's walk through this together. Let's start with the most important thing, understanding where your money is actually going. This sounds simple, but most people have no idea. They'll say things like, I don't spend that much, or I don't know where my paycheck disappears. And the truth is, it disappears into tiny things we don't even notice. A 7 coffee, a $12 meal, $20 on snacks, random Amazon purchases, a few subscriptions you forgot about. It all adds up so fast. So for the next 7 days, I want you to track every dollar you spend, just for 1 week. You can use an app, you can use your notes app, you can even use a piece of paper, whatever works. The purpose isn't to judge yourself. It's just to see clearly. Because once you know the truth, you naturally start making better choices. Awareness gives you control, and control gives you freedom. Now let's talk about something people tend to hate: budgeting. I know the word budget sounds like suffering. Like no fun, no coffee, no eating out, no life. But budgeting doesn't have to be punishment. Good budget is simply a plan, a guide that helps you spend your money without stress. A simple rule that works really well is to divide your money into 3 parts. Half of your income goes to needs, things like rent, groceries, utilities, gas, insurance. 30% goes to wants, things you enjoy, like shopping, eating out, entertainment, fun. And the remaining 20% goes toward improving your financial future, savings, investing, and paying down debt. Now here's something important. If your needs are higher than half of your income, don't beat yourself up. A lot of people in the US are in the same position. Just make small adjustments over time. Cancel 1 subscription, reduce 1 expense, cook at home a little more. Tiny changes can make a big difference. Okay, now let's talk about something everyone needs: an emergency fund. Because life happens. Your car breaks down. Your phone stops working. You get sick. You miss a few work hours. And moments like these shouldn't ruin your entire financial situation. So don't aim for a huge 3-month emergency fund right now. Start with something small and realistic. Your first goal is just $500. That's it. You can save this slowly, $10 here, $20 there. Keep this money out of your checking account so you don't accidentally spend it. Put it in a high-yield savings account where it's safe but still available when you need it. And trust me, this small cushion can protect you from a lot of stress. Let's move to something that scares a lot of people: debt. Credit cards, student loans, car payments, medical bills, it's a lot. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, you're not alone. But here's the good news. There's a strategy to get out of it. You can take 2 approaches. The first is the snowball method. You pay off your smallest debt first, no matter the interest rate. When you clear a small debt, you feel amazing. It gives you motivation and momentum, and that momentum keeps you going. The second method is the avalanche method. Here you start with the debt that has the highest interest rate. This one saves you the most money in the long run. Both methods work. What matters is consistency. Debt freedom isn't about finishing quickly. It's about not giving up. Once your debt strategy is in place, it's time to start investing. And wait, don't get scared. Investing is not only for rich people. It's not complicated. It's not gambling. It's simply letting your money grow over time. Even $5 a week can make a difference. If you're in the US, investing is actually necessary because the cost of living keeps increasing. You can open a Roth IRA, contribute to a 401k if your job offers a match, and invest in simple index funds or ETFs. These are easy, safe, long-term investments that don't require you to pick individual stocks or watch the market every day. Just automate it. Set up a small weekly or monthly contribution and let it grow. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to start. Your future self will thank you. Now here's the real secret to financial success. Habits, not big goals. Not motivation, not hype. Just small habits you do consistently. Saving a little money each week. Spending with intention. Tracking your money occasionally. Investing even tiny amounts regularly. Financial freedom isn't built in one day. It's built in small decisions you make every week. And you don't need to be perfect. You don't need to change everything at once. You just need to keep going. And if you're watching this right now, it already means something important. You care about your future. You're willing to learn. You're ready to take control. A lot of people never take this step, but you just did. So I want to say thank you for watching. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit subscribe and join the family here at ClaryWealthHub. I'm here to help you make money simple, stress-free, and manageable, one video at a time. Your financial journey is just getting started. And trust me, you're going to do amazing.